All right, we're gonna show you what your shipment's gonna look like when it arrives. So we have two orders here. This is a pallet of our shorter goods, products like Little Square, Tivoli, Moonlight. And this is a pallet of our longer goods, our 8-foot goods, products like Shell, Greta, Pepper. Typically, when they arrive, they're gonna be fully wrapped. They are not gonna say Stuga on the packaging of the carton, so don't be alarmed. We haven't changed packaging in the factories in Europe because we want the wood to be at a specific moisture content. In an email that you get from us after your flooring order, there's what we call a name matrix, and it shows our Stuga name with the corresponding manufacturer's name. And it's definitely something you want to ensure that you check upon delivery, just to make sure that you did get the right material. But generally speaking, on our shorter goods, they can get this pallet off the truck onto the ground with a pallet jack, and then wheel the pallet maybe into a garage or any area where they don't have to go over some kind of a lip. But keep in mind, everything is curbside delivery. So if there's anything impeding them maneuvering that pallet, like a gravel driveway or a sand driveway during construction on a job site or a big curb, they're gonna have to break down this pallet and hand deliver each carton. Typically with the longer goods like this, they can't get it off the truck, and you want to be prepared for that worst case scenario. So you want to have a couple people there, and you're going to have to break down this pallet, pull each carton off of the pallet and bring it inside your home. Each carton typically weighs anywhere from 35 to 50 pounds, just depending on the product, so you want to be prepared for that. But always having a couple people there on site is the best case scenario for you, just to ensure that everything's going to work properly. Obviously you want to take the material inside your house. In a conditioned environment is best. Leave it in its carton. You don't have to acclimate it, which is one of the benefits of all Stuga products. If you want to open up a couple cartons and take a look at the material, absolutely fine. Feel free to do so.